Welcome to GOWE Jiangsu, a specialized manufacturer of bridge formwork and tunnel systems. From custom engineering design to precision factory fabrication of steel segments, we deliver structural solutions built for bridge construction safety and alignment accuracy. Our comprehensive business model encompasses equipment sales, rental, and on-site construction support. This integrated approach ensures reliable execution and precise segment launching on-site. Our manufacturing base combines dedicated technical R&D with large-scale production capacity. Every system undergoes a 100% full-scale factory pre-assembly to verify structural alignment and mechanism functions. Your reliable engineering support for global bridge infrastructure. GOWE. Together, go further.